Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today we have something special for all you kitchen enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of elegance and functionality with the WEWE Single Level Stainless Steel Kitchen Sink Faucets. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen, you're in the right place. If you are interested in purchasing this kitchen faucet, click on the link in the description below the video. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's jump right in. The WEWE offers a single-level stainless steel kitchen sink faucet with a pull-down sprayer. The faucet is made from SUS 304 stainless steel, which is known for its durability and resistance to corrosion. It has a high arc spout that provides ample clearance for pots and pans, and a 360-degree swivel spout that makes it easy to reach all areas of the sink. The pull-down sprayer has 3 spray settings: stream, spray, and pause. The stream setting is ideal for filling pots and pans. The spray setting is great for rinsing dishes, and the pause setting allows you to temporarily turn off the flow of water without having to turn off the faucet handle. The faucet is also easy to install and comes with all of the necessary hardware. Here are some of the specific features I love about the WEWE Single Level Stainless Steel Kitchen Sink Faucets. Incredibly wow factor with a 24 hose. The black stainless kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer can be comfortably adjusted for different applications, making this faucet for kitchen sink unique in market and the very best helper to perform functioning. Utterly convenient. The high arc gooseneck design swivels 360 degrees swiftly and high efficient. In this way, the kitchen faucet black stainless steel is that easy to change from one kitchen sink to another. 3 setting modes: pause or flow or spray. The flow in this single-handle kitchen faucet with strong force can fast wash each sink corners, spray on style using continuous flow to flush greasy plate easily, and a pause button to help complete a full range of tasks. Perfect water flow. The softer aerated stream with pull-down kitchen faucet with sprayer is perfect for every family with splash-free water flow. The advanced design ensures gentle water flow, the optimal use, and the water standard without mineral and lead to get secure water softly. Sleek design. Unique new look for the kitchen sink faucet with sprayer makes it a great design, affordable with elaborate features created to suit lifestyles as well as budgets. Spout reach 8.5, spout height 8.5, overall height 15.7, fits most sink. Pros and cons of the WEWE Single Level Stainless Steel Kitchen Sink Faucets. Pros: durability, easy to clean, modern design, convenience, pull-down sprayer, water efficiency, easy installation. Cons: water spots, limited finish options. Overall, WEWE Single Level Stainless Steel Kitchen Sink Faucets offer many benefits, including durability, convenience, and modern design, but it's essential to consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing a faucet for your kitchen. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video review of the WEWE Single Level Stainless Steel Kitchen Sink Faucets. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement videos.